This demonstration shows how you can enter par counts using a mobile device to enhance your business. You can get to par count task using the quick actions for par count mobile under supply chain execution. Alternatively, you can use the navigator to get to supply chain execution. The inventory management new app gets you to all the mobile apps. Select the par count task to enter par counts. Enter the organization for your par location. Entry of the first few characters suggests you the organization. You can scan your par location using an external device, or you can invoke the camera of your mobile device using the scan icon to scan the par location, or you can manually type the par location if the label is damaged. You can click the icon outside the box to choose your par location from a list. This invokes a list of values. Choose the par location from the list. This displays a list of all the items associated to the par location which are uncounted. You can scroll down to view more items. Scan or choose a locator if your par location is locator controlled. We'll use a locator from the list. You can also enter the first few characters of your locator to narrow your search. This par location is set up for 2bin, hence you only need to scan the item to trigger replenishment. Click the next item button to record the par count for this item. If you don't have any other items to be counted for this par location, you can go to the actions button at the top. Click the cancel button. The list of counted items has been refreshed. If you are ready to end your par count, you can get to the actions button at the top. Select the end par count action to save your work. You will see a count confirmation toast message which indicates that your par counts are submitted for this par location. Let's now perform par counts for a location which doesn't have internet connectivity. For such a location, you need to select the organization associated to your par location before you begin to enter your par counts, to allow the system to cache the par location's data for the organization. Choose the par location. You will see the list of uncounted items for the par location. Notice that you don't see the pictures corresponding to the items as you are working offline right now. You get to select the item directly without having to enter the locator, since the par location isn't locator controlled. Enter the order quantity for the item, since the count method for the par location is request and count type is order quantity. The next item button is enabled when you enter the order quantity. Click the next item button to record your count. Click the cancel button if you don't have any more items to count. The list of counted items is refreshed. End the par count to save your work. The par counts submitted in offline mode are pending to sync. As soon as your device detects internet, it begins to sync the recorded par counts entered in the offline mode. You will see a toast message when the offline par counts are confirmed. This concludes the demo. Thank you for listening.